going to my birthday dinner with my parents and Jake, and we're gonna bring Maisie too.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Good morning. Oh, there's a Maisie. Maisie. Okay, so the last footage that you saw was Friday night. I went to birthday dinner with my parents and Jake, and we brought Maisie, and we went to Donna Jean in Hillcrest. It was really low-key, like really nice. It's like my favorite restaurant, so that was good. And now it is Sunday morning, and I am going to this place called Naughty Barrel. Maisie is so excited she can't contain herself.
This place has the baby.